Fast shooting. Here's another one. That one. Hello and welcome to Airgun Only Adventures. Back out here at the dairy again, but today I've got the Daystate Pulsar. We're gonna run out here and shoot some birds this afternoon, see how it performs. I'm just anxious to get out here today and try this thing. We've had them and been selling them at the store for a long time. Can't keep them in stock. I wanna get this gun out and run it through its paces. Follow along, and let's see how this gun works. You know, part of the problem out here at the dairy is all these birds. Number one, they eat a whole bunch of grain. And number two, when they're in there eating on all the grain, they're pooping in all the grain, and them cattle eat that and it makes them sick. When the dairy farmer loses $60,000 to $80,000 a year in grain just to the birds, every bird we take out, it's gonna help him a little bit. The Daystate Pulsar is available in 177, 22, and 25 caliber. Today we're shooting with the 22 caliber. We're using the JSB 15.89 grain pellet. Oh my gosh, look at them lined up there. Let's go up here and listen to them. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera. It's just noise from the doves cooing over there, it's crazy. There's some up here underneath these beams. We'll see if we can get a good shot at them. We got some pigeons landing right here. I'm gonna see if we can get up a little closer to them. I get a rest there and see if we can pop one. Nice thing about this gun, it's so small and compact, you can throw it up and swing it anywhere really quick. If you have a quick shot at a rabbit in the brush or a squirrel in the tree, you're on the gun fast. The side lever cocking, it's almost effortless. One little finger, there's no actual cocking to it. Another nice thing about this gun, you can only put one pellet in it. You can't keep putting pellets in the barrel. You can't double pellet the gun. Fantastic feature, especially out here, riding around in the truck or walking around. Sometimes you forget if you have a pellet in it or not, you cock it again. Don't have to worry, there's only gonna be one pellet in the barrel. On this particular gun, you can switch the bolt over to a left-handed shooter. It's 100% ambidextrous gun. In the programming mode, you can also adjust the magazine counter. You can turn the laser on. Yes, laser. This gun has a built-in laser right here, and the power level. There are 3 different power levels you can set it to. And the shroud, it works really well. It's pretty quiet, as you've heard out here. Enough talking about guns, let's go get some more birds. We got one right here on the corner, see if we can knock him off. Yeah, I think he's going. If the camera relays that, the sound of the pellet hitting that bird is way louder than the sound of this gun. Yeah, I think he's going. See if I can get him right in the head over the pipe. Come on, pick your head up. Nope, hit the pipe. First one's dark gray. Yep. The next one's light colored. Ready? Next you're raising down. Here's a close one right here. Boy, this fast action of this Pulsar is awesome. I'm gonna try that one. This Daystate Pulsar, boy, it packs a punch. I love doing this. This is just fun. Headshot. It's been a great day out here with the Daystate Pulsar, and I'm very impressed with this gun. It's a perfect gun for coming out here to the dairy or walking around out in the desert shooting rabbits or in the woods shooting squirrels. I really think Daystate has done a great job on it. The accuracy is spot on. In paper testing with this gun, we produce some beautiful half-inch groups at 50 yards, and you can't ask for any more than that. High shot count, high power, power adjustability, smooth action, and in a little tiny compact package. Until next time, shoot straight and hit your target. I love doing this. This is just fun.